The thing is too, like you said, it's affordable price. You can have emergency management channel. They're not going to interfere with the private sector. So I've got like on the same repeater that I've got up on the house, I have a channel that's for my family and then the emergency alert channel.
Mhm.
That's not going to interfere. They're not going to see that. I'm not going to see their messages. They're not. So that's the beauty with like law enforcement, government agencies, is they can still have their encryption. But now, literally, the whole community is building this together, and it benefits everybody. So
Absolutely.